Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team. And in the last video, we produced this 90-degree twist baluster. So it had a square top, square bottom, and again, rotated, holding that shape 90 degrees down the entire length. It turned out really cool. Now, I had an interesting idea where I wanted to expand upon that same concept. And so we're going to be making this baluster today. And it actually does the exact same thing to where it has the square section that rotates 90 degrees down. However, this time I'm actually going to be machining the corners as well, where it's transitioning from a square section to an 8-sided section in the center back to a 4-sided section here. Now I did this using the Maverick Aspire software to just create a 2D profile in order to cut down one side, and then I combined that with Conversational Cam Pro legacy software in order to replicate that on all 4 sides, as well as add the twist factor to the baluster. So in this video, we'll break down some of the time studies and cost factors, but first, let's go cut this on the Maverick CNC system. Now in total, it took about 4 minutes and 20 seconds to actually produce this design. That means with swapping out balusters, I could produce about 12 of these per hour if I wanted to, get this done. But the value of this goes up a bit because of the uniqueness of the design and the extra time in the machine shop. So I would price this around between $40 and $55 per baluster, depending upon, again, size and type of material that was used for this. So at $12 an hour, that puts us between about $480 and $660 per hour that the machine can produce for this style of baluster. Now these types of videos generate a lot of different questions. I recommend you take advantage of 2 resources to answer your questions. First is head on over to our website at legacywoodworking.com. There you'll find all the different product information, additional cutting demonstrations, and much more. The second resource I recommend doing is actually getting in contact with one of our CNC experts. You can call them at 801-491-0010. They will be happy to answer any of your questions, put on software or cutting demonstrations with the machines, and point you to additional resources, again, to fulfill your needs. Now, if you'd like to just simply watch more videos, I don't blame you. Just click right over there. I think we all know what to do. If you want to be notified of future videos, just click that button down below, and don't hesitate to give us a like if you liked what you saw. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems and allows you to say yes to more opportunities than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.